Alright, we have 2x squared plus 5x and minus 12. And that's going to be all over 9 minus 4x squared. And what we're going to want to do here is reduce this down. So let's factor the numerator. Actually, I think I'm going to rewrite this problem and show you something here. We're going to redo the bottom here. I'm going to rewrite that bottom, but go ahead and copy the top. It's 12 over. Okay, so this can be rewritten as 3 squared minus 2x quantity squared. Okay, so this is the difference of two squares. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and factor out a negative out of here. And of course, there's always reasons for everything. Let me just go ahead and write it over here. We have 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Now, it doesn't matter whether we work in the numerator or denominator first. It doesn't matter, but I just want to clear this up first. So I'm going to factor out a negative. So we end up with a negative 3 squared, and then this is going to become a plus 2x quantity squared. So we got to fudge this thing to get it to match up with some other stuff later. Now I can rewrite this piece right here. 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 over, pulling that negative out, and I'm going to rewrite this because this is kind of the standard form we've been using earlier, and this is minus 3 squared, the difference of squares here. Okay, let's just leave it at that right now. Now let's go ahead and factor the numerator. Now it's a good thing we only have a 2 here, so this has got to be a 2x. And of course, this would just be an x here. Let me actually, maybe we should go ahead and factor that bottom out because it gives us clues of what we're doing here. I have a negative, keeping the negative out here, start of parentheses. So this is the difference of two squares. So this is going to be 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. Now you figure that probably one of these terms in the numerator or denominator is going to cancel out. So we're going to have one of these terms, either the 2x minus 3 up here or the 2x plus 3 up here. Okay, so that kind of helps us out, I think, when trying to reduce this down. I'm going to go ahead and write the bottom here. 2x plus 3. Alright, two numbers multiplied together gives us 12. Well, it could be 3 and a 4. But we got to get this right here. So I'm going to put the 3 over here, and the reason for that is because we have 3's in both of these, and we need to get a 2x something plus 3 or minus 3 up here to probably cancel out with the denominator. Alright, see what I'm saying? Okay, and so let's look at this. We have a 2x times 4x is 8x. Let's just do a little side stuff over here. And then 3x. Now remember, we need to get a 5x up here, so this is probably going to be a minus then right here. So that would be a minus 3x here, okay, and then a plus. And now as you can see, we can cancel out, and you can now see what we are going to be left with, and that is an x plus 4 over 2x plus 3, and just bring that negative up here into the denominator and just bring it out right here. Alright, looks good.